This is a demo to show how I set the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus to vacuum the kitchen. The robot currently sits in the living room in the front of the house, so I just want to show how I do this. So I'm opening up iRobot app. It just automatically jumped to the vacuum cleaner, which has this name, and I just go into new job. There are like you can save ones in your favorites, but I just want to show how I select this. So you can see it's already on the main floor map. So all these maps have been created and customized already. So I just select the one that's for the kitchen, and then when you do that, you can set how you want it to vacuum. So you can set a stronger suction. Right now it's just in the medium. You can set low if you want to, or high. For me, I would do standard or high. I wouldn't go low because I want the room clean after. And you can also make it go 2 passes instead of 1. So since I haven't vacuumed in a while, I'm gonna set 2 passes. And there's also this additional option where it says where you can set it so that it doesn't bang into the walls. It'll be more gentle. So that's the careful drive one. Since I think the kitchen is okay if it bangs into things, so I'm just gonna leave that. So I just tapped above there, and now I can press start now. I'm gonna try switch over to the camera quickly after I press start now. All right, so the vacuum just backed out, and it's looks like it's gonna figure out where to go. Usually it doesn't take that long, but here it goes. It's really cool that it knows where the kitchen is. Oh, miscalculation there. That's strange. Alright, this usually doesn't happen. It usually knows where the kitchen is. Alright, it's trying again. There we go. The good thing is iRobot, they updated the app, so on its way to the room, it doesn't have the vacuum running. It's only when it gets to the room that the vacuum starts to vacuum. So you can see it's doing this back and forth pattern in straight lines. The kitchen's pretty long, so it's whenever it bumps into something, it just turns around and comes back. Then it moves over a little bit, and then it turns around and goes back the other way. It bumped into the chair leg, that's why it turned around. Bumped into the cabinet. Okay, that's all I wanted to show. I might do another one later for a smaller room. Thanks for watching. Here's the robot, finished its job vacuuming the kitchen, and it's heading back to the charger. When it's docked, it will save the map. And start charging again. When the iRobot is finished vacuuming, you'll see the notification on your phone, as well as when your phone is locked, you'll see the icon for the iRobot app. So if you click on this notification here, it'll open up the iRobot app. And then it should show you what it cleaned. So as I told you earlier, it was going to clean the kitchen, so you can see that all the green areas where it cleaned, and yeah, so that's it. So you can see it confirmed that it completed the cleaning, and then it emptied the bin when it went back to its home base. Yeah, that's all for this video. Oh, and please smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, and please also subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I appreciate it, and have a great day. Bye.